This is a 2017 Chevy Tahoe Premier. Has some aftermarket HD series rims. These are 20-inch with the touring tires. Proximity entry on all four doors. Got the nice upgraded floor mats. Black leather. Power adjustable driver and passenger, of course. It's got the wireless charging pad there on the top of the center console. Heated cooled seats, heated steering wheel, built-in navigation. It's got the LED map lights. Going to the back, you can see it has second row captains, and these are heated, so that's a really nice feature. Just right here on the back of the console, there's your little heated seat features. Climate control access, 110 volt port. There's your third row. They also have the upgraded rubber mat as well. It's got the black bow ties. Already has the window tint. See the parking sensors. BOSE audio, driver memory seat package, which will tie in your driver's seat, side mirrors, pedals, and steering column. Got the power folding side mirrors, power windows locks, all that good stuff, child locks. This is a non-smoker. Four-wheel drive, automatic headlights. There's your pedals, lane change alert, parking sensors. And these are rain sensing wipers, heated steering wheel, collision alert, cruise control, Bluetooth and all your steering control buttons, backup camera. It has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto, built-in navigation. As far as safety features, safety alert seat, forward collision alert, park assist, rear cross traffic, lane change alert, all the good stuff. Tri-zone climate control. There's your heat and cool seats. It is push button start. There's a couple more ports there. OnStar, auto dimming rearview mirror, garage door opener, power lift gate, and of course it does have the proximity key with the built-in remote start.